Hello and welcome back to AutoMobilityStore.com's YouTube channel. Today I'm excited to present this beautiful 2011 Chrysler Town & Country featuring a BraunAbility fully automatic fold-out ramp and kneeling system. This van has only a little under 20,000 miles on it, features a 3.6 liter V6 engine and a beautiful leather interior. Now let's go ahead and take this thing out on a test drive.
Fast, and some say we won't last, but I will be alright as long as I know I'm with you. Oh, forever summer high, I know that we'll be fine. Letting go free fall, living on top of the world. Blue skies and nice winds, never keeping track of time. Sun and skin driving, and all I can breathe is you, so I jump.
Regain your mobility independence with this 2011 Chrysler Town & Country. Call today and ask us about our nationwide vehicle shipping services.